I'm really actually excited to start talking. No fear. I'll start helping you.
Guys, welcome back to 123D. We spent a bunch of time showing you guys how to set up your planes. Michael and I are going to take you through basic maneuvers now. I'm going to take the plane here, and Michael's going to grab the remote, and we're actually going to do something we don't think anybody's ever done before. We're going to walk you through these maneuvers basically one step at a time with the radio and the plane here standing still. We're going to show you here in the studio what everything looks like while we intercut the flight footage to get you guys going. So without further ado, let's do some of this.
Very simple. What we do is we deflect the rudder and add a little bit of power so the plane flies in a slightly upward configuration. So if I want to roll right, I put left rudder. And my first move is that. If I want to roll to the other side, if I want to roll left, the first move is right rudder. Depending on how fast you're flying, you don't need as much rudder. And depending on how high of an angle of attack, that's what determines exactly how much power you need. We're going to initiate the roll, and as it rolls, we're going to add our rudder and stop. Okay, and we're going to hold it, and then we'd be using the throttle to determine our altitude. Now we're going to enter into a Harrier, the absolute foundation maneuver for 3D. We are going to slow the plane down until it wants to stall. We're going to pull the nose up, and we're going to add some elevator, and we're going to hang on the prop. And this is going to be a delicate combination of elevator and throttle. So I'm stalled the aircraft now, and I'm adding full elevator. Now I'm going to start decreasing and increasing the throttle as I need it. Now I've pretty much locked it in. I've got the exact right amount of elevator and the right amount of throttle. It changes with the wind direction, changes with everything. But you can see I can control its altitude very, very easily. I can also control the angle of attack very easily. The more you're relying on the prop and the less the wings are doing, until finally when you get up into a hover, which of course is a big part of 3D flying, wings don't have anything to do with it. You are all just completely hanging on the power of the propeller. Right aileron and left rudder. Roll it. Okay, we're at point 1. Now, as we're rolling back to point 2, the aileron's going to stay, but I'm going to release the rudder. And I might add a little bit of up elevator to make sure the nose doesn't dip. Now, as we roll again, I'm going to switch to the right rudder and drop the elevator to normal. See, I have a little bit of right rudder. Now, as we're rolling again, I am going to release the rudder completely to keep it straight and let the plane fly normally. With 3D, it's very important that we understand how to make the plane fly straight as it's going completely through a roll. If you can roll the plane slow, you can do just about anything, because that means you have complete control over the aircraft at every possible attitude.